Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We had another eventful morning this morning. Welcome to OilTrainPros.com. Today is 4/17/2012. Let's jump right into things. First off, you guys need to take the free trial of the oil trading room. It's been going strong lately. There's a video posted here of our latest, well, not latest, but our Friday recap. You could check out Monday's recap as well. That was posted on our YouTube account. And we've got a lot of exciting things to go over this morning with you. We had a couple of trades this morning. Not a whole lot. Same with yesterday. Yesterday was the same thing, but you know what? It all matters that we, in the end of the day, ended up in the green. So let's go over all this stuff really quick with you. Alright, as many of you guys know, Doug was not with us this morning in the chat room. That's no big deal. You know, both of us call out trades, but it sometimes is nice to just kind of sit there and be calm. It's quiet, no one's talking. We don't have a lot of talking going on in the room this morning, which was nice. We had a couple of easy trades this morning. Not easy, I guess no trades are easy, but let's go over these really quick with you. This trade right here was entered at 2 contracts we were talking about in the trade room this morning. We actually lowered our contracts to 2 contracts because we realized most people trade with 2 contracts, so we want you guys to be able to emulate us as much as possible. So our first entry was at 104.75 with 2 contracts. Our target 1 was hit at 10 ticks, and our target 2 was hit at I believe 12 ticks. So that was 22 ticks right there, right off the bat. And I believe that's all we had this morning actually. For some reason my P&L had gotten, I believe it combined yesterday's and today's. So that's not a big deal. It's still early in the morning. It's still only about 11 o'clock, but I wanted to get this recap done because I am going to be out of here. Doug is taking over for a little while, so I wanted to get this trade room recap taken care of for you guys. Doug's left running the room right now, trading oil in the E-mini S&P 500. So if you guys are interested, shoot us an email, oiltrainpros@yahoo.com. We'd love to hear from you. Love to hear your comments. If you guys want to take the free week trial in the trade room, I really do hope you guys take it. I think you'll learn a lot. You'll learn how we trade. You'll learn some of our quick moves, and you know what? You might end up getting it for free if you don't sign up, which I guess that's fine by us because we know most people sign up with us when they come and check out the room. They're very happy with the results. There's not a lot of fluff surrounding our room. We do all the advertisement ourselves, the little bit of advertisement we do. So well, you know, we're not like the bigger companies that will advertise a whole bunch of stuff and make you mountains and mountains of promises that we can't end up fulfilling. So what we try to do is just keep things simple and make a little bit of money every single day. Our goal is to make sure that we win more than we lose. Sometimes we end up losing more than we win, but the nice thing is that our winners are bigger than our losers. So that being said, take our free trial in the trade room. Let us know what you think. We have a lot of guys who will come in and will take our first two morning trades, first trade, and then they'll be done for the day, which is totally fine. You know, it limits your risk as long as you take that first winning trade and you go home a winner. The next day, you know, you can come in and take another trade, and hopefully that's a winner as well. But if you end up taking that first trade and say your second trade's a loser, you end up having to make that money back. So some guys like to stay in the room for an hour in the morning to to follow us along with our first trade, and some guys like to stay all the way till 2 or 3 o'clock. It all depends. Depends on what kind of trader you are. It depends on how you like to trade, and it depends on your risk tolerance, I guess. But the best thing I can say is that you need to come take our free trial and see what we're all about. See that you know, we're not going to sit there and ramble your ear off in the trade room. That's one thing I hated, I guess, when I was in a couple of different rooms back in the day, is these guys would talk about absolutely nonsense, stuff that had nothing to do with the market, and nothing that had to do with, you know, it had to do with nothing we were doing, and they would sit there and talk and talk and talk and talk, and before you know it, we'd miss a trade, or they'd say, oh, well, you know, it actually hit our level, we were talking, you know, I know some of you guys got in. We try to call everything out ahead of time. That's our main goal. Call everything out, make sure everyone knows where the levels are at. Everything is done via ChartTrader, so that you guys basically know where every single level is at. If I pull up the let's take a look at that 13 range today, and you can see what oil's been doing. This is a great way to figure out where the market's going, how it's moving, is get these range charts up here. And you can tell you've got no movement, not moving. It's just basically sideways, so we're staying away from it for now. Perhaps towards the end of the day it may give us something to trade or give us a setup, and we'll definitely take that setup. But I do urge, like I said, have everyone who's watching this take the free trial. It's 5 days. There's you know, email us, we'll send you the link. You can get into the room and you can watch us trade and see how we do. We also trade the ES in the room as well. Pull this chart over. Trade the ES as well, so that's something to keep in mind. This is a 10-minute chart, but I just want to give you guys a nice little recap of today. Hope it helped, and like I said, come take the free trial of the live oil trade room. Yeah, I don't think you guys will be disappointed. You subscribe right here, or you can shoot us an email via our contact page or oiltradingpros@yahoo.com. So we look forward to seeing you guys, and I hope everyone has a good rest of the week. And I'm going to get back to the trade room. If we have any more trades, I will definitely update this video and add on to it. But as today looks, today is pretty much so far done. So thanks guys, and check out the free trial of the trade room.